it. What is that? Where is the spell? I don't see the card. It was. Is porcupine. Is Pokemon. Pokemon. He like the pancake. He's like Pikachu, but he eat a pancake. Porcupine. Yeah. I open the card, and this is bear. Panda bear. Panda bear. I mean, he's panda bear. I'll open it again. Look his tail. I'm gonna open it. I don't want his porcupine. You lucky shiny. Now and he have panda pen. Oh, so good. It's this. He wanted don't show. Wait, hold. It's this one.
What do you have there, Jojo?
It's for that's for Joel. Look. As you can hang it. I'm gonna offer my teeth aside. Oh my god. Pikachu! Yeah! Coin! Look, he's bent up and he's this is sleep. Now, let's see card. Oh, here. I have Pikachu. And here's my turn. What's his coin? I get it. I think I got this one or this one. I think I get this one, or this one, and this one, or this one, this one. I wish I'm gonna get this one. Let's see. I'm gonna open it, guys. Now we got Pikachu for you. And the back. You see it? Yeah. Here's Pokemon photo and Pokemon This is Caesar. And we have him. Is a her or him? He's the boy. And put them in the Pokemon chain. Look, a Pokemon. It's gonna come out. He's gonna come out or no? You see that? It's gonna come out or no? Where's your disc going to come out? Oh, it don't come out! Yay! Where's your disc going to come out? Yeah. I'm gonna make it come out. Pokemon Pikachu! Pokemon Doors! What's the Pokemon? Pokemon Bounce! I want to put the Pokemon in my place. Mine. Pokemon. And, okay, I put it aside. And Pokemon Major. Three Pokemons. Hey, give me my Pokemon. What are you doing for? No. What maybe? Hey, I am Pokemon Dolls. Pokemon Dolls. Oh, my big Pokemon. Let me Now I'm going to shut the back up so they can sit up. Okay, now we have the map Pokemon. How we have him and Dusano. Guys, he's not her. Is that him? No.
Yes.
No.
Oh yeah,
He's
there's
here.
right there. Yes.
And look, and I want to show you. He's like this. Look, he's like this after he grew up to like that. Before he's like that, after he turned to strong like that. But and the card was the credit card. Here. Oh, and this credit card, he show he have 2 hands. They are like me. There's 3 Pokemon that are the same like this. They're team. That means they're stronger. So bye guys. Bye guys. Subscriber. And don't forget to like us. Subscribe